After its long and dismal period of economic and social suppression, the post-war Sri Lanka is in an admirable state of rejuvenation. The availability of local resources, professional personnel, and local and foreign investors interested in launching new, state-of-the-art ventures are in abundance. One of the key indicators of the prosperity of a country is its level of available infrastructure facilities. Public transportation systems are a major liaising factor that binds the various elements of a country's infrastructure together. It is vital that a transportation system is easily accessible, extremely efficient, and is equipped with all up-to-date technology. Rapid transit systems have been introduced worldwide to provide high-capacity public transport. A rapid transit system is an electric railway characterized by high speed and rapid acceleration. A metro is a form of rapid transport. Metro, short for Metropolitan Railway, refers to an urban, electric rail transport system with high capacity and a high frequency of service. Metros are totally separated from other traffic. They operate in tunnels, on elevated structures, or at surface level, but with physical separation from other traffic. This type of transportation system functions well within urban areas with high levels of transport congestion generated by ad hoc urban planning and unavailability of space. The Bandaranaike International Airport at Katunayake, Sri Lanka's pioneer civil aviation corps, is the potential host location for a new transportation venture being proposed by Airport Express Air and Rail Company Private Limited. The proposed project is a metropolitan railway system comprising of two terminus, the first at the Katunayake Airport and the other at Fort Colombo, in close proximity to the Fort main railway station, with two parallel railway lines running to and from these two destinations. The proposed railway line runs along an elevated structure which would enable the train to make its journey uninterrupted by the disturbances of vehicular traffic. The train's route would go along the airport road, then cross the Negombo main road and the Negombo Lagoon, and join the new Katunayake Expressway. It will then travel parallel to the main expressway. After 5 minutes of travel time, it will reach the terminal at Bopitia. The Bopitia terminal creates the gateway to the proposed urban township development of Bopitia town, which will accommodate 3,000 new apartment units and all other amenities for its emerging community. The train then continues along the expressway until it reaches its next terminal point at Keravalapitia. This terminal creates the gateway to the proposed urban township development of Keravalapitia town. Passing this terminal, the train joins the Negombo main road. With its elevated structure running along the central axis of the vehicular road. At Paliagoda Navaloka Junction, the railway line crosses the Kalania River alongside the Queen's Bridge and enters the city of Colombo. It then travels along Sirimavu Bandaranaike Mawatha, passing Ingurkade Junction to Armour Street Junction. At Armour Street Junction, it turns to Sumanatissa Mawatha and goes to Panchikavatta Junction. At this point, it turns to Sangaraja Mawatha and passing Fort Technical Junction, reaches its final destination, the Fort Lotus Terminal, totaling a mere 20 minutes of travel time. The Lotus Terminal is situated at a site with amazing potential for urban integration, with two scenic water bodies bordering the teardrop-shaped site on either side. At a direct visual link running across its central axis is the historic Fort Railway Station Terminal, one of Sri Lanka's precious heritage buildings. The Lotus Terminal site will comprise of an architecturally modern and versatile 32-story tower, which would function as a city center for the local or foreign businessmen who would be spending just a few days in the local capital city. The terminal tower would comprise of a hypermall, multiplex cinema, city hotel, a conference and convention center, food courts, bowling alley, game arcades, and a health center which consists of all types of spas, salons, saunas, and its very own Ayurvedic garden. Sky bridges or underwater tunnels will link the terminal tower to the Fort Railway Station, main bus terminals, and the two main roadways leading to Fort. To give the short-stay tourists an overall taste of the city of Colombo, a shuttle bus service will commence from the new railway terminal, which would link all the main hotels, popular upmarket shopping centers, and other places of interest within the city. Imagine boarding a train in the center of the city. No racing to an airport, across a terminal, no delays. Imagine whisking through towns with speeds over 100 miles an hour. This vision could soon be a reality, with a high-speed transformational initiative that will lay the foundation of investment that will not only unclog traffic, cut oil dependency, and improve the environment. It will boost productivity and create thousands of jobs. High speed is a significant opportunity for us to be a global initiator in terms of trade and commerce for our nation.